Today I'm showing you how to turn off keyboard sounds on your Android device so you can type silently. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your keyboard. First, you need to open your keyboard. Tap on any text field. You can open a messaging app, a notes app, or a search bar. The keyboard will appear at the bottom of your screen. Step 2. Access keyboard settings. Look at the top of your keyboard for a gear icon or settings icon. Tap on it to open keyboard settings. If you don't see a gear icon, look for a three-dot menu icon or tools icon on your keyboard. Step 3. Go to Preferences, Sound and Vibration, or Keyboard Settings. Tap on it to access sound options. Step 4. Find Sound on Key Press, keyboard sounds, or key sound. This controls the clicking or tapping sound your keyboard makes when you type. Step 5. Turn off keyboard sounds. Toggle the switch off next to Sound on Key Press or Keyboard Sounds. Sometimes there'll be an option called just Sounds under the Key Tap section. The switch will turn gray when disabled. Step 6. Test your keyboard. Tap on a text field and start typing. Your keyboard should now be completely silent with no clicking or tapping sounds. Why turn off keyboard sounds? Disabling keyboard sounds is useful in quiet environments like libraries, meetings, or when others are sleeping. It also saves a tiny bit of battery life since your phone isn't playing sounds constantly. And that's it. Your Android keyboard is now silent and you can type without making any noise.